Today I'm going to show you how I created the spring leaf design using water decals from Beauty Big Bang. Before I start, don't forget to give this a like if you enjoy my tutorial and subscribe to see more. I'm using Essence You Made My Day, China Glaze Grasses Lime Greener and Barry M Gold Digger. I'm applying dots of each colour to a stamper as I'm going to smoosh this onto my nails. This is a lot of fun but quite messy. You just pat this onto the nail until you are happy with the placement of the colours. I've applied liquid nail tape as this technique is really messy, so when I peel this off it removes the excess polish too. I'm using these water decals from Beauty Big Bang. This sheet has lots of leaves on a transparent background and I like how these can be cut to size. Don't forget you can use my discount code FIFI10 for a 10% discount at beautybigbang.com. So I'm peeling off the clear film from the decal and then submerging it in water for 20 to 30 seconds. And then the decal should slide right off the backing card. And I'm just applying this to my nail and using a lint-free wipe I'm patting the decal down and removing excess water. And to remove any excess decal, I'm using a brush dipped in acetone. You can also use polish remover. Now it's time for top coat. I'm using Seche Vite. You need to gently float the top coat over your nail in as few strokes as possible so you don't smudge or drag the design. And make sure you've top coated the edges of the nail so the decal is sealed in. And here's the finished design. I really hope you like it. The decals are so delicate and detailed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial.